Hello guys, we are on the host demo of HOMESTAYDNN. And this video you are going to see how to list a property and how to become a host. Host is nothing but one who owns a property. Right now we can see how to become a host. For that you must be either log in or sign up to list your property. If you are a new user, kickstart with sign up or else go ahead with login. So right now I am starting as a registered user, so I move on with login option. So this is the login options. You can see social media logins like Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Plus, and also you can log in with your personal email ID. So I just opted with the Google Plus, and I'm going to log in with my Google Plus ID. Right now you are logged in as a host. So here you can see that you are logged in. This is the host dashboard and it is featured with my listings, my reservations, my trips, wish list, edit profile, and account. Let's check out this one by one. First, we move on to dashboard. Yeah, this is the host dashboard. Here you can see overall notification and alerts like this. The host dashboard. We can move on to next tab, inbox. This shows the message regarding your bookings. You can see the messages like booking request with the booking ID and all. So if you want, you can view that message. So this is your inbox. Once if you read it with a message that is changed and the status become deleted, you can either delete your previous messages. But as the unread means, you can see it like this. So this acts as a communication channel between host and guest. Host and guest communicate through these message options. So that's all about inbox. And the next one is my listing. It shows the rentals which you have listed out. So these are the properties which is listed out by me. You can see properties in the status which is listed. And these are the properties which are yet to list. So in this you can manage your listings. There are two more options, my reservations and reservation requirements. So in my reservations, you can see who are all booked your property. So their address, price, the status, whether they have paid to you or not. So this is my reservations and reservation requirements. So this can be done that if you need to verify your customer. If you need to verify your customer means you can check this. So right now I don't need this. So I'm just disabling this. So these are all the listing options. And next move on to my trips. So my trips. It shows the advance or future booking of host. That is, if I had made any future bookings, it will show out here. Right now I didn't made any future bookings, so no other properties listed out. And if we check out with previous trips, here you can see the history that if we had booked any property, so you can see the details regarding that. Okay, that's all about previous trips. And the next one was basic profile settings. These are the normal profile settings. If you want, we can add with that. And here you can add your profile photo. So trust and verification, it is nothing but whether the host is a verified one or not. So, and right now it's showing as a verified one. If you won't connect with social medias, means you can use all these things. Either you can done verification through your email ID, or else you can done verification through your mobile ID, so that you will receive an OTP from that your verification has been done by the admin. So this verification feature is purely handled by the admin. And the next one is reviews. It shows reviews which has been attained by your product, by your property. So right now there is no reviews allowed. Disputes. If you met with the bad experience, or if you had a bad experience with the guest, you can list out here. If they cause any damages to your property, and also if it is so means you can list out here. So that's all about profile. And the next one is account. These are the basic settings, notification settings. And then the next one is payout preference. Click with add payout method, you will see a pop-up like this. That is nothing but the website admin will transfer the property booking fee to the host account through this. If you are entering details, if you are entering these details, the admin will receive your details and the admin will transfer your property booking fee to your account directly. So this is the payout preference, transaction history, and right now I didn't make any transactions. Transactions mean nothing but transactions between the host and the guest. So right now I didn't make any transactions. So it's showing like this. So it is future transaction means for future booking. So the future booking, you are liable to uh, get this transaction. The next one is privacy. So it is up to you. Privacy settings. You can either connect with or connect to the social medias, or else you can list out through the search engines. Next one is security. So either you can add the country of residence, it is not a mandatory one. And last phase we can see cancel account. So if you are clicking this, your entire account is terminated. The next property is invite. That is nothing but every user can invite their friend by using a referral link. So if any one of the person either books a property or lists a property using this link, then that particular referred user can benefit with that. So that he or she can earn some bucks through this referral link. So that's all about invite. I think we have covered all the topics. Yeah, we just list out wish list. It is nothing but we can add your favorite property into a separate listing. So here I have created one wish list called my favorite, and that currently it doesn't have any listings. But if you selected any property as a wish list, so that property will be listed over here. So this feature is called wish list. Yeah, we can cover everything. So that's all about host features. We need to move on the next phase, how to list a property. For that, you just click with your rent your option. In that, you can select the property type as apartment, a room type, and number of accommodates, and main city. Let's click continue. Here we goes. So first and foremost thing is calendar settings. In two ways you can list your property. In two ways you can set the calendar. The first one is always, that is your rental property is always available, and the second one is you can defaultly fix some dates. So on that days only your rentals will be listed, or your rentals will be available to booking. So I just go with always. And next one is pricing. And this shows our script supports multi-currency. Next one is, yeah, you can give title and summary. So, what title? This department. Some descriptions. So, if you want to add some more descriptions, you can add with that. Right now, I'm just moving to the next one. Here, you can add photos. So, you can list it as many as photos you want. Here it will appear a photo and a description for that particular photo. Likewise, you can add such as photos. Not only photos, you can have, if you have a video means you can include that video URL here. So right now I'm just going with photos, and these are the amenities. You just choose what all amenities what your apartment provide: TV, internet, kitchen, and a pool. And if you go with extras, air condition, and free parking. So these all the things change according to the scenarios. Two, minimum stay 3 days, guest capacity 4, apartment type, room type, Here we go with the address. Here's gives a street name. Submitted. The address is added. Move to the next. It choose the cancellation policy. You can select from these three cancellation policy. And if you record in a security deposit, that too. And if you wish to add some SEO properties, you can add here by clicking simply this. You can have meta title, keywords, descriptions, and all. Right now, I don't want this, so I simply want save. So that's all. We have successfully listed the property. Okay, we have added our property. Let's check out in the front end whether our property is listed out or not. Right. We can go back to the home page. We are listed out in Los Angeles. I have given the city as Los Angeles. Yeah, here you go. This is the property which I have listed out. You can see the image, property name, address, property types, about the listing, the amenities, the space, the extras, things which we have given. All the things which we have mentioned there, it is shown. You can see the images, user profile, the map. So everything what we have done on the last page is visible here right now. So this is how to become a host by using the script. I hope I have done with that. So it says, to become a host by using a script. Anyway, thanks for watching this.